Welcome to Study Loop.
All right. All right. We have got 2-butanol, and we've got the minus enantiomer and the positive enantiomer. They're in a mixture, and the specific rotation of that mixture is positive 7 degrees. We're also told that the specific rotation of the negative enantiomer is negative 13.5 degrees. That implies that the specific rotation of the positive enantiomer is positive 13.5 degrees. Now, what we need to do is find out what fraction or what percent of our mixture is 2-butanol if the specific rotation of our mixture is positive 7 degrees. So the formula that we need to do this is that the specific rotation of a mixture is equal to the specific rotation of the negative enantiomer times the fraction of our solution that is that negative enantiomer plus the specific rotation of the positive enantiomer times the fraction of our solution that is the positive enantiomer. So this is the number we want. It'll be in a fraction form, so we'll have to multiply it by 100 to get a percent, but that's all right. We still just want to get this fraction. Now, the issue that we may have here is that, for example, we know this is 7.0. We know this is negative 13.5. This is F minus plus positive 13.5 times F positive. Well, we've got two unknowns in this equation, F minus and F plus. Typically, you can't solve an equation, a single equation with two unknowns, but luckily there's a relationship between F plus and F minus. That is that the fractions have to add up to 1. That is, if we total the amount of or the fraction that is the negative enantiomer and the positive enantiomer, we have to get 1 because we need to have one whole solution. The two fractions have to equal 1. Because of that, we can rewrite F minus as 1 minus F plus. Just subtracting F plus on either side of the equation. And now we can rewrite our initial equation, 7.0 equals negative 13.5 times, instead of F minus, we can put 1 minus F plus. And then our initial plus 13.5 F plus. Great. At this point, all that's left to do is do some algebra, rearranging, and solve for F plus. So we get 7.0. We're going to distribute this negative 13.5 to get negative 13.5. And then the minuses will cancel out to give us plus 13.5 F plus another 13.5 F plus. Now we can move this term to the other side, so we'll add it with 7.0 plus 13.5 equal to 13.5 F plus, and then we've got 2 of these, so let's just say times 2. Okay. Now we can divide over our 13.5 and our 2 to get 7.0 plus 13.5 divided by, if we multiply 13.5 by 2, we get 27 equals F plus. Now all that's left to do is plug this into a calculator, which I will do momentarily. 7.0 plus 13.5 parentheses divided by 2 to get 10.2. Oh, sorry, divided by 27. There we go. I get 75.926 or 0.75926. This would be the fraction of our solution that is F plus. If we want to know the percent, F plus as a percent, let's 75 plus as a percent would be 75.926, or however many sig figs you should answer to. There you are.